Tortoise Joke Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the tortoise emoji. But before we get started, I wanted to share a little tortoise joke with you. Ready? Where do you find a tortoise with no legs? Well, I'll tell you at the end of this video, so get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this awesome turtle or tortoise, let's first start by drawing its eye. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And now that my circle in, I'm going to come to the side right here on the top and draw another small circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. So now that I have my eye in, I'm going to come to the top of this eye right over it and I'm going to draw a curve right over this eye. From there, I'm going to start to draw the mouth and the head. So let's come about right here and I'm going to slope a curve downwards to about right here, and I'm going to round it off and come down. Then let's imagine this coming through, so about right here I'm going to start to draw a curve and make it come down and then pretty wide out. So just make sure it's nice and wide and strong head. So it's about almost the same width on each side. Then from there, let's bring this down, still curving inwards a little bit and about right there. So I can go under the eye. I'm going to come over right here and draw a curve that goes up, comes down under the eye and then back up. And then about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and cap it off for a smile. Then from there, let's come in a little bit right about here and I'm going to draw a curve for the bottom part and come down. So this is all right under the eye. And before I forget, let's come back right about here and I'm just going to put a little dot right here for a nostril. Then let's continue the head. So let's bring this down and we're going to start to create the neck. Nice strong neck. So from there, let's bring this down again and this. We're just going to go back and forth and about right here I'm going to start to curve it out just a little bit. Now that these 2 points are almost about the same, I'm going to continue to bring this down. So I'm going to start to curve in and about this side right here I'm going to stop and I'm going to draw a curve right here. So this is going to be the beginning of the shell. So I'm coming down with this curve and it kind of follows the neck right here. From there I'm going to bring this down a little bit more again and here as well. So we're just kind of following each other and about right there, because I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to go ahead and just draw the leg, but if you're using a pencil, just continue the curve. So about right here I'm going to stop and in this area I'm going to come out and pop out the first leg of our turtle. So I'm just going to put in a curve right there to stop it, and then let's go ahead and continue this shell. So I want to bring it nice and low. So just imagine this is still coming through. This is nice and low. Okay, so then from there, let's come back here. So just make it a little bit easier to know how far to bring the shell. I'm going to come about right here and curve. And about right here, I'm going to make another curve and bring it down. And bring this down. And about right here, curve it out a little bit. And connect and round it off. So one strong turtle leg, and then we're going to imagine this coming through and continuing. So that's why we want to make sure this part right here kind of meets this area right here, so nice and low. So let's bring this curve up. Now that we know where the body is, we can bring this curve up to about right here. I'm just creating this big curve for the shell. From there, let's give this shell right here a Let's thicken this part up. So I'm just going to round this part off and then just follow my curve. And definitely turn your paper if you need to. And connect. Then let's come back about right here. And here is where we're going to draw this big dome shape to connect. Right back in. There, our turtle finally has his shell, right? Okay, so then from there, let's come and draw the legs. So I'm going to come about right here and here. Nice thick legs, and we're going to bring down a curve, round it off. You just want to make sure we're at the same level. And same thing here, curve, round it off, and connect. And then for back leg, so about right here, curve out, and it's going to end higher up. So about right here, I'll bring it in. And for the front one here, let's come about right here. Same thing, curve and then out and in. And of course we have a little tail we need to draw. So in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw the tail and bring it in. Now that we have the main elements drawn in for a turtle or tortoise, let's draw some nails. So I'm going to come right here, just draw a curve, maybe just 3. And here, maybe 2 over here, and same thing here. And maybe just 2 here as well. And then for the shell, I'm going to come about right here. So the center of our dome, and I'll say about right here, I'm going to start a slight angle line down. If you don't want to give it a gap and you're using a pencil, just go ahead and make these a line and then thicken it up. But I wanted to show you a way where you could draw it without having to erase. So now that we have this in, about right there, let's come out with 2 angles right there, and then let's bring this up. So I'm starting to curve it up, so I'm just kind of following this shape of our shell, and here as well. Then let's come back right here, and I'm going to thicken that line up, the gap I mean, and from there I'm going to stop right here and put in 1 to come in. So another one about right here. And once again, notice I am following the shape of our shell. Come back up, down, and then this side. Follow, and 1 more. So that way you just have this gap that you can color it darker. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this tortoise turned out and I've inspired you to draw it too. So now for the answer to our joke right here. Where do you find a tortoise with no legs? Where you left it, of course, duh. I know that was really silly and bad again, but I really hope that brought a smile to your day, and I really hope I inspired you to draw this little tortoise here. So thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon, so please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.